Hey, what's going on, guys and gals? Can I get a mic check and a video check? Can you see my screen all right? Can you hear me okay? Just type it over there in the box to the right of the video. What's up, Colton, Rick, Trevor? I see you. David, hey, what's going on? Just waiting on that confirmation before we get going here. Okay, both are good. Awesome. All right, so welcome to the weekly stream of the watch list review for Spartan Trades. So we're a trading group. You can find us on the Discord in the link in the description. If you're new to the streams, we do this every Sunday, reviewing plays for the upcoming week, mainly for tomorrow. So what I like to do is start off the stream by reviewing the overall market. Then I go into the watch list, and at the end, I'll open up the floor to any questions on any charts that you may have, or anything that you may want me to review. So feel free to type those tickers into the chat box to the right of the video on YouTube at any time during the stream, and I will get to them as soon as we have gone through the watch list. So I'm looking at the /ES, the future for the overall market for SPY here. This week, I don't think we have a whole lot going on. It's a holiday week. Market is closed on Thursday in observance of Thanksgiving. And with that, I don't expect a whole lot of trading going on Friday either. This week will be all about volume, okay? So I've chosen some stocks for the watch list that I feel will be getting the most attention, the most volume, that either have some pending news or news that's already come out. So let's get started. ES, we are holding this 9 EMA pretty tight. Even on this dip, this is the biggest dip that we've seen in about a month in the market. But we held up. I mentioned that 3100 level, which is right here, yeah, that 3100 level will be the level to hold for us to remain in a bullish market. And we dipped and closed just right above it, so we're holding. We'll see. We had a little bit of a gap up. I'll jump in on the 5-minute chart here. Had a little bit of a gap up when futures opened up today, so we may continue to move forward here in a green market. We'll see how tomorrow opens. There's still a lot of time between now and market open. But as of now, it looks like we may be coming up to push this level right at 3125-ish. So we will see. I'm going to jump right into the watch list now. The first one that I have on radar is Roku. So what I did was I included a few bullish tickers that I thought would be moving up this week, and I've included a couple of bearish tickers. Roku was one of the bullish tickers. So I like to start my analysis on the daily chart, and I'll move into the smaller time frames, mainly jumping between the daily and the 5-minute chart. If you guys weren't previously with us, man, Roku has been awesome for us. We caught this whole move up here. It was on the watch list just day after day after day and just kept going. Now we've kind of reached a point where we're moving sideways, and this 160 level, where it's been a previous support here, has now turned into a resistance. You can see I think we like barely closed over it one day here last week, but what we've got going is this like bullish pennant. I'll draw it out for you. So we got this bullish pennant forming just under an area of resistance, which is 160. And so anytime that you have a pattern forming underneath the resistance point, it's a good indication that a larger move is coming, right? So this doesn't necessarily have to break out, but if it does, other traders see these patterns forming, and this consolidation period has kind of built us a nice base after this run up for the next leg up. So I expect if we break 160, I'm probably looking at like a 163 to 165 test and on to 170. Over 170, I think we definitely test all-time highs here at 176. So let me jump in and just give you a couple of levels here. Yeah, it's looking as of now, these levels will change in the morning, I almost guarantee it. But as of now, I'll be looking to take Roku long over 160, and I'll be probably looking to short it at 154 is looking like the break of this pennant. And I see a couple of like support here, support here, support here points, and a support back here. So maybe 154. If we open up a little higher, maybe I'll move it up to like 155 to give us a little bit more profit margin. But Roku is definitely on the watch list for tomorrow and into the rest of this week. Okay, I tried to refresh. Let me know if this is working. I see some buffering here still going on. Where did we leave off, right? So what was the last bit of information that you guys saw? The triangle on Roku? Is that where we were at?